Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to type this symbol in MS Word. So firstly open MS Word. After click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol. Type character code 00E5. After click on insert and click on close. That is. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. If you went to this symbol, type in MS Word. So firstly click on insert. After click on symbol and click on more symbol. Type character code 00E5. After click on insert and click on close. That is. Thin symbol after space. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.